back to another video. Today we're going to be, today we just got back from Dave & Buster's and we got a bunch of stuff. And we're going to unbox it together. So hey guys, I just got from Dave & Buster's and I'm going to be showing my stuff. So let's do it. So I got a panda pen. This is what it looked like. The pandas, and basically I like pandas. And I got these this squishy stuff, and you get to make this on the package. And then I got a fidget thing, and you get to collect a fidget. So that's all I got, but I got a duck. If I didn't, I'll show you. But I got a duck. That's all I got. Bye. And you can put it in your teeth. Got a little bit of key, a little unicorn, a squishy. And I got this. It's my turn. So basically, this is gonna be like a little unboxing. I got this Sonic plush or Sonic unboxing.
Open it at the end.
Yeah,
you can.
We're gonna open this at the end. And I got these sticky things, these sticky balls. A tradition, kind of like a tradition with me, Coda, and Dom, and my mom to stick these on the. And a really cool thing is me and Coda. I got 500 tickets and Coda got 1,000 came in class. A tradition. So it's on the ceiling. It went on the wall. Oh shoot! It went on the wall.
Go!
Hold up! I gotta cut that out. Why do I suck so hard on this?
You have to hang it up.
Yeah. I got a lollipop.
After go. You have to look.
Yep. It's on the ceiling now.
Okay. Now unbox that Sonic thing.
Who told me to do this? Is my channel, Coda. This is my channel. Oh my god, I got Sonic. Oh! I got the common one. We're gonna keep getting these until we can get the Eggman and the Big Sonic. So yeah, that's what we got. I don't think this is gonna come down unless,
so cute.
but I'll record it when it comes down, or we're just gonna use camera footage because there's a camera behind my recording camera. So we're just gonna take some of that footage, or maybe I'm gonna make a video today. Definitely a different video or another video today. And if it falls down during that video, it's gonna be crazy. But yeah, I got this lollipop. It's a Irish lollipop. I already took a bite out of it because I opened it in the car. Kids!